Hi all. In our last session, I explained how to create CDS view, how to display the result or the data of the CDS view. I did also show how to see the SQL view created once I activated the CDS view. This is the CDS view we created. This is the data of the CDS view, output of the CDS view, and this is the SQL view that got created. Now we learn how to create a report program to consume this CDS view. Right click, new, other repository object, go to source code library and create an ABAP program. Consume CDS. You can finish. Right, select start from instead of the table. Now I can use the CDS view name. What is my CDS view name? Into table. So you can observe I have used RDA data. This is new ABAP SQL inline declaration. No need of declaring the internal table. That gets declared on the fly. So select start from my CDS view into table LT data. Just to see if the data has been populated or retrieved, what I can do, I can loop at I tab into loop at LT data into data ls data. This is the work area. And look, let me print out some of the values. You can press Control space to find, it will suggest the field name. You can type or you can just full stop. So I'm done with the program, and the program just a select query like we select from the database table. We are writing simple select from the CDS view, and both are inline declaration, work area and internal table. Let me save it, activate. It shows in italics. As soon as it activated, it will show as normal. You can see it's activating, the process is running. Still in italics, it's taking some time to get activated. It's now inactive. Now you can see it's activated. You can see the when I hover into it, it shows active. Let me run this program. Right click, run as ABAP application. You can see the same data that you saw as the output of the CDS view. This was the output of CDS view. And let me see the output of this program. It's taking some time. You can see the data. It's come. Okay. Fine. See, you can see the big number. Okay, it's similar to this number. Now, what we can do, we can consume this in the program, and you can directly show the ALV rather than showing the write statement. It is possible and very easy using ALV with IDA. Okay, let me comment out this code. Commented. I am going to use ALV IDA, the feature to show ALV very quick. I have to create the one object for ALV IDA. Get object. We can basically call the method. There is a static class. We can directly call this method. Basically, class SALV GUI table IDA create or control space CDS view. And basically, you have to pass the CDS view name here. Exporting. Export the CDS view name. What is my CDS view name? This is the CDS view name. Given the code, and it will return the object and store in this reference. Basically, I am creating a reference and passing the CDS view name, and CDS view name is Shaka CDS. Now I have to check if the object got created. If ALV bound. Here I am checking my object is created or not. If my object is created, then I have to call the method. There's a full screen option. And we'll have a display method. So what it does is the ALV will be displayed in the full screen. Just remember what I did. I created a reference for the ALV, and I created CDS view, object of the CDS view to show what type of object is ALV object. I'm going to create a reference of ALV object using the CDS view. We need to know, remember this class and this method, that's all. You can see this interface is nothing but similar to this class only. So the class implements this interface, class SALV GUI table IDA, and call this method. Then we get a reference of it, ALV reference, and call full screen display. Now save it. Check. Click on activate. Wait some time. It's getting activated. Now it's inactive. It takes a while to activate. Once it is activated, we can run this program to see ALV directly. See, we are not creating any catalog here. Automatically, based on the CDS view, the catalog gets created and the result is shown. It's activated now. Yes, now right click, run as ABAP application. We'll be able to see the ALV created. See this ALV, the output of this program. To conclude, we created a CDS view. We created a program to consume the CDS view. While you consume the CDS view, we just write one select query like normal table, database table, select star from. We also learned how to show the data in ALV using ALV IDA, the new feature of HANA, where we call the method create for CDS view of class SALV GUI table IDA and called full screen display. It shows the ALV. That's all. Next session, we'll be discussing more on CDS view with parameters, with multiple tables joined, exposing the CDS view into OData service, lot more about CDS view. This is basic CDS view, how to create, how to use, and how to show it in ALV. Thank you all.